Today we go driving. Look around the trees, different color.
Yep.
There's Daddy driving.
Concentrating.
Yeah. RJ's not here. School days now.
There's the mountains. Ready?
Yep.
Ready, even the bushes.
There is the mountain here.
Look at the new road they're putting in.
Yeah. There is the tree. Different color now. Yellow, green, red, brown. Look at that there.
There we are. As far as we can go.
Here is.
Up on the mountains. On
We
the,
go to the mountain. Wow,
They call it the bench.
What's
It's a
up?
house for sale.
so hilly here.
House for sale, all brick.
Yeah.
Kind of weird looking brick.
Wow, nice trees here. Have jogger there.
Yep.
The dog.
You too. Boy, look at that house up there.
Yep, look at that.
I wonder what these houses go for. Millions? Probably
Maybe
millions.
that. Oh, there's the view. There is view there.
Get it on the way
Far
back.
away. Look at this here.
Some of these houses have been around for 20 plus years.
Yeah.
And there's some new houses in here too, mixed in.
Look at that, 1 million.
The higher you go up, the newer the homes.
Yeah.
Look at that view.
Yeah. Million home. $1 million.
Nice
Up all view.
the tree colors.
360 view here.
Look at that view he's got.
Yeah. But if windy, it's so scary that.
Almost at the top of the mountain already. What do you mean?
Yeah. Look at that house there, 1 million in the top.
Let's go look at it.
Have privacy to a mini tree. Trees in the back. Got this landscape. All have tree.
Oh, dead end.
Dead end now. Dead end. Oh, nice. Subdivision here. See?
Yeah, flat road. You ride your bike.
Yeah, but when we go
Look at the
up,
view from the driveway. Look,
look at the view there.
driveway view.
Yeah.
Oh, you can see hill, clear as can be.
Yeah.
Look at that dog.
Wow, nice color of the tree. Look at this tree.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. The peak of the mountain.
Yeah.
Let's go look at that other house. Got a private road going up.
Yeah. Look at that their view. There is the view to the
Salt Lake Valley,
Salt Lake.
the northern
The wasatch
Wasatch
front. Yep. There is the view here in the wasatch front. Look at that. You see Antelope Islander. So far away.
Yeah, that's a little pound.
Yeah.
Nice view.
Yeah. Million. This house have view of million. Look at the
So
color of that trees.
probably up around 300-400. Yeah.
Yeah. It's in the higher.
Look at the colors.
Yeah, the color of the tree, nice.
Right there.
Look at this view. Look at that there.
Look at that hill. It's pretty high up there.
Yeah. Wow. In the top of the mountain now.
It's a cul-de-sac.
Only two houses here?
Yeah.
Wow.
You want to build one here?
You build that there in the cliff.
That was too much to fill in.
My goodness.
Any more houses up there?
No, only
That's
this
as far
one.
as you can go.
Yeah. At this
Whoa.
landscape. A mini rock.
Yeah, it'd be nice to live up here. It's quiet.
Privacy too.
All this couple.
There he
A
is.
doctor in a Lexus.
Lexus car.
Yeah, brand new Lexus.
It's
Look at
rich.
that. Yeah, if I can see the new hospital way out there.
Yeah, it's far away. There is the the house in the top top of the mountain.
Yeah, you need a four-wheel drive up there.
Yes.
They get a lot of snow up here.
Yeah,
Compared to the
snowing. Yeah.
So if you want to drive home all uphill, you might even need chains. Look at this house.
It's pretty nice house too.
Close to the road. Not much property.
Yeah.
It's very hard to get into the garage. I didn't like that at all.
Look at this nice.
Oh, it says. It's a
Oh, a for
cul-de-sac.
sale there. A
Yeah,
for
but no
sale
view
house.
here.
Yeah. There's the horse. Horsey. Horsey.
Yep. Let's see.
The horsey.
There's at least 6 of them.
Yeah.
Let's see 4 right there, and
Wow, this here is brand new road.
yeah, they're really fixing up this area.
There's the church, Mormon church there, the staple. Look at the 20 staple. There is.
School here.
There is.
Look at all the colors.
Just look the tree. Driving around.
See how good the stabilization is. This road's in bad shape. Very bumpy.
Yeah. There is the mountain is cheap